everyone, I am back with after a long time with my leftover portion that was about a definite article the. Yes, in my previous video we have learned about indefinite articles a and n and the uses with some rules that how a and n, the indefinite article, are used in a particular sentence. So in this video we will learn the definite article the and its uses while using definite article the in a particular sentence. So you can see on my board. Yes, you can see on my board. Today's topic is definite article the. Now what is definite article the? The refers to a specific and exact noun. Yes, nouns which are specific and exact in a meaning. This is the meaning of definite article the. Now let's move to the uses of definite article the with the small examples. I can say you with the I will tell you about each and every usage with a small example, so it will become very easy to understand the uses of definite article the. Let's move to the first use of article the. Noun that have been used earlier. Means our first use of definite article the is used for the nouns that have been used earlier in a sentence. Let's look to an example of first use. If I say my sister is making a film. The film is on the folk art of Nepalese. What I told, my sister is making a film. This was a one sentence, is making a film. And what is the next sentence? The film is on the folk art of Nepal. Now what is there in this sentence? In this sentence the film is focus. The film, what is film? Film is a noun and film is focus. So the noun is used two times in the same sentence. So this becomes our first use of definite article the, that noun that have been used earlier. My sister is making a film. The film is on the folk art of Nepal. Let's move to a second use of definite article. Our second use is ordinals. Ordinals means first, second means all the numbers, 5th, 8th, 10th, 12th. Yes. Let's see the example of ordinals. If I say, I am the second child in my family. Yes, you can hear it properly. I am the second child in my family. Now what I said, I am the second child. Yes, the second. Take a look, just say it properly. The second child. I have used definite article the before the ordinal second. Why? Because it specifies that I am the second child in the family. To the third one, superlative degree in adjectives. Adjectives, what are adjectives? That modifies a noun or pronoun and that give more meaning to a noun or pronoun. Yes. What are adjectives that give a more meaning to a noun or pronoun? Superlative degree. Superlative degree means among others. Superlative degree means among the others. Let's move to the example. If I say, Pari is the cutest girl in the class. Pari is the cutest girl in the class. Cutest. Cute. Positive degree. Comparative. Cuter. Comparative degree. And cutest. This becomes the superlative degree. So what I did here? Here I have compared. And what I did here? Here I have told and I have picked among some girls in the class that Pari is the cutest girl in the class. So where definite article there is a superlative degree in adjectives. Move to the fourth one. Nouns of only one kind. becomes very easy to understand, and nouns of only one kind. Have you saw many sun? Have you saw many moon? Have you saw many types of earth? No, they are only of one kind in the whole universe. Yes, it's a noun, but they are only of one kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, and the earth. Go to the fifth one. Rivers, oceans, seas, and group of countries. Rivers, oceans, and seas. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. We don't say as Pacific Ocean. We pronounce it as, and we speak it as the Pacific Ocean. The Arctic Ocean. Rivers, the Gangas, the Sabarmati, the Yamunas. Yes, what we denote? We denote definite article, the in front of a noun. Noun means it may be the noun, maybe the name of a river, girl, anything. Seas. For sea, you can use Arabian Sea. Yes, the Arabian Sea. What we tell? The Arabian Sea. We don't say it as Arabian Sea. Whenever we talk about a sea, we denote it with a definite article. The group of countries. Have you heard the name of USA? Yes. What is USA? United States of India. Group of countries. Group of countries means United States of America. Sorry, it was not United States of India. It was United States of America. United States of America. That is USA. So whenever we denote USA, when we tell the full form of USA, what we tell? The United States of America. Yes, it was not, sorry, it was not United States of India. Our sixth use of definite article is titles, awards, and newspapers. Yes, it is newspapers. Have you heard the name of the Times of India? Yes, whenever you see the newspaper of any English newspaper, it is denoted with definite article the Times of India. Yes. Titles and awards. The Nobel Prize, the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan, yes, the Dhyan Chand Award. So for Nobel Prize and for titles and awards also definite article the is used. Seventh use of definite article the is holy books, nationalities, and eminent buildings. What do you mean by eminent buildings? Parliament, White House, the White House. Yes, the White House. Where is the White House? Yes, it is in the America. Yes, and holy books and nationalities. Nationalities means the Sikhs, the Christians, the Parsis. Yes, the Muslims, the Hindus. Yes, nationalities means all these types of caste. Holy books means whichever we all are having, the Bible, the Purans, whatever you, yes, the epic Mahabharata, the Gita, Bhagavad Gita. So for this also we use the definite article. And move to our last use of definite article, that is mountain ranges. Mountain ranges means the Western Ghats, the Eastern Ghats, the hilly ranges, the Shivalik ranges. Yes, these all are mountain ranges. So you can see on my board, these all are the uses of definite article the. And if we don't use it properly in a statement, in a sentence, it changes the meaning. This is how you can understand about the definite article, concept of definite article the, and the uses of definite article the. So that's it for this video. I will be back with my next video. Till then, stay healthy and be safe from corona.